Okay, this is something new for the .com page. It's your 4-week extended forecast, which will take us through the month of May if you're trying to make some plans or get an idea what's coming. So let's take a look at what we got coming up. Now, this is the first part of May. You can see we're kind of dry to an extent here. The northern areas up north here are a little bit more precipitation. And then off the coast here, you got some precipitation that's above normal. But basically, out in the center part of the country, um, we're getting dry out here. But that doesn't mean that there still won't be some thunderstorms and some severe weather out there. But overall, the pattern will be dry. Now, this takes us through the end of May, precipitation wise, and you can see it is a little bit more moist. We do get a little bit above normal here for precipitation to the north, but then again, out in the central part of the country here, it's still basically pretty dry out there. Now, as we look at the next 14 days, that's this week coming up and the week after, yeah, there'll be some up and downs with the temperature, but when you average it all together, you can see Pennsylvania's in the white, which is average. And again, there's just keep this in mind. I'm going to show you something out here in a little while, but you can see out here, normally this is in orange, which is warm, but it's in blue right now. And, that's kind of unusual for right now. Usually, like I said, that the temperatures are warming up, the waters are warming up off the coast of Jersey and Delaware. So a little bit of a strange setup right now. Now, right now, for the month of May, this takes us all the way through the end of May. Temperatures will be average to just a little bit below normal, which is not bad. It's not like we're going to be freezing or anything like that, but we won't have any of these really big heat waves. You might have a warm day, a hot day, but it's not something that will sustain itself in the month of May, at least as of right now. But if you look out here, it does start to show this orange, which is what I was saying was missing before when it was blue. So it does show it's beginning to warm up out there. And so this is your ocean temperatures, and here's your Gulf Stream here, works its way around Key West, around South Florida, starts heading up the coast, and usually this will continue on up, but right now it kind of makes a right turn when it gets up to Virginia Beach and heads out. So that's why it's colder off the coast of Jersey and Delaware here, and the waters are chilly, but eventually this will begin to move in more to the north and to the west, and will begin to heat up the beaches up here. But as of right now, the waters are not something that you want to take a dip in. So that's just wanted to show you that there's your Gulf Stream is that orange, and that's where the warmer waters are at, and that's kind of what's controlling beach weather for a lot of people. All right, you take it easy. Be safe.